Good evening, this is Peter Boulton. I've just been reminded really what a small world we live in. I've just come back from London by train, and getting into my car I suddenly started to appreciate how one of the businesses that I'm involved with, which is a digital online marketing business, connects people irrespective of where they are in the world. But what a pleasure today to go to London to meet one of my colleagues who's based in Australia. She's actually British and she's over here visiting her mother for a month, and it was just a great opportunity that although we connect on Skype or on Zoom sometimes, and we talk a bit about how to develop our businesses and grow our businesses, these online digital businesses, and we both recognize how amazing it is that we can talk, from one side of the world to the other side of the world on a computer. It's also so good to get together and share that time sort of one-to-one. And we talked through a number of things today, and I think it's like for all businesses, it's really good to get together from time to time, share our experiences, share our understanding of how maybe it's best to develop and grow a business, which is what of course we all want to do as entrepreneurs. So perhaps my message today in this Lean In video is just to encourage all of us to seek out other business people, other entrepreneurs, and take some time out really to get together and to discuss business development, how we can continue to grow and develop our businesses, and just look at that positive side of getting together face to face. So I'll leave that with that message with you today, and just to encourage you to seek out other people, other business owners, other entrepreneurs, share stories and see what you can learn from other people that could help you to develop and grow your business too. Anyway, I'll let you get on. Have a great evening.